Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Mazda CX-90. This sleek, modern CX-90 delivers family-focused comfort and highly satisfying performance. With a spacious cabin equipped with premium amenities, pleasing driving manners, all-weather traction, and convenient versatility at your command, you're bound to make the most of every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof, navigation system. Luxury blends beautifully with family-friendly versatility in this striking CX-90. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.